So previously we created the request class, and as you can see, that's just assign the request class to a request variable. And now let's create the router class, or let's attempt to create it anyway. So let's go to source router.php. Okay, for the router class, let's think of what we're gonna need. It's gonna have to be a class, of course. But what do we need inside the class? Well, I can say we need a URL, protect routes array. It has, for now we're just going to do get and post methods. So the get method is an empty array, and the post method is also an empty array. Like that. Not exactly like that, but you get the idea. Next, we're gonna need a URL and a URL method, so we can match and see which route belongs to which method. So route URL method, and one for protected matched route. Okay, I think that's it. Now let's create the construct. The construct is gonna need the request object. So request, and save that as r, no, not underscore r. So this URL equals r get URL. Wait, why isn't this auto-completing? I have get. It's not namespaced. Save that. Dev compiler, yeah. Compose that. Dump to load. So that is that. This method equals r get method. What else? Method matched route. Now we're gonna have to load the routes. So this load. Now we don't load routes here. We create the function load routes, and that's gonna need a file path. So I'll just say routes file. So we're gonna create a routes file in the public folder. So public routes.php, and in here this is how we're going to define our route. Get homepage function homepage, something like that, right? And then copy that, bring that down here and do a post route. Have that and say, hey, I got a post route. Paste post route. Just 2 routes for now. So the routes file is gonna be expecting a route variable. So let's just create that here. Route equals this, and then require routes file. Okay, so we can either do that base directory thing here, that, or whether we create the routes file, say like router equals new router, and then we pass in the request object, and then here we say router load routes, and then say base directory like that. Since it's in the same directory, you just go what's the PHP? Okay, but we want it to be in the base directory, so base directory like that. So then in here we have to see public / routes. Okay, save that. Okay, let's create those 2 functions that the router is expecting. So public function get, and that's gonna have a path and a path and a handler. So this routes get path equals the handler, and handler could be anything. Okay, so we also want the trim, because say for example someone does a get route and leaves the / in there and writes about. Well, in our request class we're trimming all that. We're trimming the /s from the beginning and the end, so this route won't match. So now we'll just leave it like that, and we'll fix that in here. So say path equals trim path by crap, trim that path by that / if it is there, otherwise just return that. Because that's gonna be the home path. Okay, now we copy that and paste it right there, and this one is gonna be post, and it's gonna update to the post array. So like right now we should be able to see what we have in our routes collection here by saying for dump router, And there we go, we can see we have 3 items, 2 in the get array and 1 inside the post array. Okay, so now we need a way to match the URL and the routes. So we'll create this public function match route, just match. It doesn't need anything, it has everything it needs up here. So we can say if array key exists and the key is this URL and the set should be this routes, this method and let's just see if it doesn't exist. So in that case we'll just throw a new exception and say page does not exist. So if it does exist, then you just want to say echo this routes method and this URL, because that's going to be the match route. Looks like we're not getting anything. Oh, that's right, because we're not calling anything. So this little routes and let's just make that return, so we can just chain like here, match, and put exception with message page does not exist. That's what we want, and we're gonna do try catch block here. And echo get message. So that page doesn't exist, and we go there, it should exist. Undefined variable method on line 21. 21, where are you? Okay, not method but this method. So let's see. Catchable fatal error object of class query couldn't be converted to a string. And on 21. So we're getting a match and we're not showing it, so we can say this matched route equals that. So now we have a matched route. So the matched route is equal to an object now. So now we're going to create a dispatch function. So what did I do? Okay, we're gonna use this matched route in this function. So if is callable this matched route, then callable equals this matched route return callable the function. Okay, so right now we can stop dumping and say router dispatch. And that's it. We should have a home page. And if we go to the about, oops, I didn't create the about page, did I? Ah, yes I did. So if we go to about, where is that about page? So that's it. Still back about, and any trading stashes won't matter. So like that would matter. I mean, no, it wouldn't, because we're trimming it, and that too won't matter. So let's check out the post route, right? We had 2 get routes and 1 post route. So let's just paste that in there. Expand this a bit. And send a post route. See what we get as the text. Hey, I got a post route. So the post route works. And I think that's about it for this tutorial on creating a router. Thanks for watching.